Want smooth, flawless skin without irritation or bumps? Brazilian waxing can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Skipping hygiene steps can lead to irritation or breakouts. Today, we reveal essential hygiene secrets for healthy skin. Stick around, your next wax is about to get smoother. Welcome to MTH Health, your go-to for confident body care. If you care about hygiene, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe to never miss tips that make you feel your best. Great results start before waxing even begins. The first secret: exfoliate gently 24 hours prior. This step removes dead skin cells for better wax grip. It prevents large problems like ingrown hairs or redness. Moisturize regularly before, but skip lotion on wax day. Hydrate. Well-hydrated skin is flexible and irritates less. Cleanliness matters most during the waxing process. Your esthetician should always wear gloves and use sanitized tools. If you see double dipping, run. That's a major hygiene red flag. At home, sanitize everything: tweezers, spatulas, and your hands. Use single-use applicators and test wax temperature first. It should be warm, not hot, to avoid burns. Aftercare is often overlooked and can lead to regret. Your pores are open and skin is sensitive post-wax. Apply soothing cream that's alcohol-free, like aloe or witch hazel. Avoid tight clothes for at least 24 hours. Let skin breathe. Skip the gym, hot showers, and pools for a day. Friction and heat can cause breakouts, bumps, or infection. Let's bust a common myth: waxing always causes ingrown hairs. Not true. With exfoliation and hygiene, you can prevent them. Another myth is you can wax anytime. The best time is 3 to 5 days after your period. Your skin is less sensitive then, and pain tolerance is better. Here's a pro tip: apply a cold compress for 10 minutes. This reduces redness and calms inflammation quickly. There you go, your hygiene guide to a smooth, safe Brazilian wax. Want more body care tips like this? Ask your questions below. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share. At MTH Health, we believe clean skin is confident skin.